What's up? This is Yuda, aka Sidebrain from BeatLab Academy, and I want to show you today a free Max for Live device we developed thanks to Dylan Baston. Check him out. I'm going to put his link description in the description. He has amazing Max for Live devices. So at home I have this cheap Casio keyboard that there's a button, you can hit it, say something, and then you can immediately play it, kind of as an instant sampler. So we asked Dylan to develop this for us because it's super fun and it's very useful, and it's not a built-in feature in Ableton Live. So here it is. You can download it for free from the link description. And there's also a very detailed blog post about everything here, although let's go over it quickly in this video. So right here I'm going to set up my input to my mic, which is connected to my interface. You can also use your built-in mic. Here's the threshold. Let's bring it up. And I'm going to turn on gate. So whenever it passes the threshold, start recording, and drop down beneath the threshold, going to stop recording. Loop is already on, so it's recording in a loop. Normalize, and I don't need to quantize the recording. And by the way, you do have all this info text right here, so you can just move over the button or knob and it will tell you what it does. Sweet, so let's hit record. Ooh! Excellent. Okay, now you can change you can just change and slide here the start of the sample or the size, which is the end, the crossfade between the start and the end. You can make it mono. You can take the hand and start scrolling and zooming in. Here again is the buffer size, the record button. Everything is mappable and automatable. This is the loop. This will reverse it. Transpose. Here you can LFO. We'll talk about the LFO. The LFO, the pitch. Let's double click to reset it. Glide. And envelope modulation on the pitch. Nice. Here we got the amp. This is just attack, decay, sustain, release. If we switch to the filter tab, here we have a filter envelope, filter types, can the resonance, LFO on the filter. LFO is kind of slow, we'll change the LFO in a second. Velocity on the filter, and envelope filter. Let's make it short. Nice, let's double click to reset it. Here is the modulation tab. Let's open the filter. This is the LFO tab. So you got the modulation envelope, and here is the LFO. Let's put it on sine. Let's speed it up. We can even synchronize it. So like 8th note, go back to the filter, add some LFO on the filter. Nice, and if it's sync, it does need to play the project. It's a Max for Live thing. The phase of the starting of the LFO, retrig if you wanted to start off on the same place or not, and the envelope on the LFO, and here is the modulation envelope. Global panning, LFO on the panning, modulation envelope on the panning, LFO on the volume, and velocity sensitivity. So super fun device. Here you also have some auto savings features, so you can save all the recordings that you do in here, because every time you record and you record into the buffer, it's gonna cancel, it's gonna delete the old recording, but you can enable auto saving. Really great device. This is for free. You can just download it from the link description from the blog post. If you have any questions, let us know. This is a super awesome, fun device, mostly developed because I wanted such a device for instant sampling, but we want to share it with you guys so you'll have fun playing around with it. Let me know how it goes. Again, this is Yuda, aka Sidebrain for BeatLab Academy. Catch you next time.